This question concerns a trapezium, shown here, and we have to work out the area of the trapezium. The formula for the area for trapezium is given on the formula page of the GCSE paper, and it is area equals a half, open brackets, a plus b times h, where a and b are the two parallel sides. A trapezium is defined as a quadrilateral with one pair of parallel sides, and h is the perpendicular distance between them. Let's mark on the lengths that are given and the other information. DAB and ADC are right angles. DAB, so this is a right angle. ADC, here's our other right angle. The side AB is 8 centimetres. I'll just write the 8. BC is 15 centimetres. CD is 20 centimetres. Now that means, because these two angles are right angles, I know the 8 and the 20 centimetre sides are my parallel sides, so I just need to find h. I know A and B. Now the perpendicular distance between them is actually the length of AD, because AD is perpendicular to both the 20 and the 8. But I'm going to draw it here. That length of the dotted line is the height. I'm actually going to call it x. And to find x, I'm going to use the fact that this line, which is perpendicular to the base, makes a right angle with the base, and creates a right angle triangle here. Look out for right angle triangles, they're really useful. We know that the hypotenuse of this right angle triangle is 15. We know this whole base is 20, and this top section is 8. So the section from the bottom of this dotted line to C must be 20 minus 8, or 12 centimetres. That means I can use Pythagoras to find x, which is the height I require here. Let's use Pythagoras' theorem then. A squared plus b squared equals the hypotenuse squared. I have to be careful here. This is the hypotenuse of my right angle triangle. This h is a different measurement. It's the perpendicular height of the trapezium. So a squared plus b squared equals h squared. In the right angle triangle, this is the hypotenuse, and the x and the 12 are a squared and b squared. So x squared plus 12 squared equals 15 squared. When using Pythagoras, always make sure that this h squared is the hypotenuse. X squared is therefore 15 squared minus 12 squared, and if you calculate that, that's 225 minus 144, which is 81, giving us that x is the square root of 81, or 9. X is the height that we require here. So now back to the area formula. The area of the trapezium is a half. A and B are 20 and 8, so 20 plus 8. And the perpendicular height, or the distance between A and B, is 9. 20 plus 8 is 28. A half of 28 is 14. So this is 14 times 9, which is 126 square centimetres.